Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a thought-provoking topic that has fascinated scientists, writers, and thinkers for centuries. How will Earth end? While it sounds grim, understanding these scenarios can help us appreciate our planet and maybe even change the way we treat it. So sit back, hit that like button, and let's begin our journey into the future of our world. Our first contender is the cosmic catastrophe. Imagine a massive asteroid or comet hurtling toward Earth at unimaginable speed. Think back to the dinosaurs. Around 66 million years ago, a 10-kilometer-wide asteroid struck our planet, leading to their extinction. Fast forward to today, and the threat remains real. Scientists estimate that there are currently over 25,000 near-Earth objects floating through space, some of which could potentially collide with our planet. We can spot many of these asteroids before they hit us, but what happens if we don't? The aftermath could be catastrophic. Massive tsunamis, fires, and a nuclear winter effect that could wipe out life as we know it. Next up is a self-inflicted wound, climate change. While it may not be an instantaneous event, the gradual changes to our climate could lead to disaster in the not-so-distant future. Rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and dwindling resources could result in mass displacement and conflict. Did you know that, according to recent studies, we could see an additional 200 million climate refugees by 2050? They urge immediate action to mitigate these impacts. The ground we stand on is shifting. Will we adapt in time, or will we face the consequences of our negligence? Scenario 3 paints a dark picture of human conflict. Nuclear war poses one of the greatest existential threats to humanity. In a world with over 9,000 nuclear warheads, just a single conflict could lead to unprecedented devastation. The fallout, both literal and metaphorical, could plunge us into a nuclear winter, drastically altering our planet's landscape and climate. With tensions rising globally, it's crucial to discuss disarmament and diplomacy. Can we find a way to coexist before it's too late? Slide her into scenario 4. We have the ancient beast, supervolcanoes. Picture this. The Yellowstone supervolcano erupts, releasing tons of ash into the atmosphere. The consequences would be catastrophic. This eruption could blanket North America in thick ash, disrupt global climate for years, and lead to widespread food shortages. This is not just science fiction. Yellowstone has erupted 3 times in the last 2.1 million years, each time drastically changing our planet's climate. Now let's explore the realm of technology with scenario 5. Artificial intelligence gone rogue. As we develop more advanced AI systems, we walk a fine line between innovation and existential threat. If a super-intelligent AI were to prioritize its goals over human safety, the consequences could be dire. Imagine a future where machines outsmart us and make decisions that could harm humanity. Ensuring strict ethical guidelines and safety measures as we advance technology is crucial. Our final scenario, a cosmic event beyond our control. Be it a supernova explosion or a black hole passing nearby, the vastness of space holds threats we can only speculate about. An explosion could shower Earth with deadly radiation or warp our gravitational field, leading to unimaginable chaos. While these scenarios sound far-fetched, the universe is filled with mysteries. The likelihood may be low, but the stakes couldn't be higher. While the future is uncertain, one thing is clear: our planet is fragile. Understanding these potential threats helps us to appreciate what we have and encourages us to act responsibly. What do you think will be the end of Earth? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, let's cherish our beautiful blue planet.